Hey guys, waving and welcome back to my channel. The video you're watching right now has been made completely by AI, totally free of cost. And guess what? It only took me 1 minute to make. Stopwatch. Now, if you've been wanting to create AI videos but keep getting stuck with apps that either ask for money or give you just a few tokens to generate 1 or 2 clips, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to make unlimited AI videos for free. Here's the simple process we'll follow. ChatGPT for prompts, to write clear and cinematic scene ideas. Gemini Nano Banana, to turn those prompts into high-quality AI images. Grok AI, to bring those images to life and make short videos. Let's get started. Backhand index pointing right, step 1. Writing prompts with ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT and go to the Custom GPTs page. Search for documentary-style 3D image generator. This is what I use to create images for my videos. But honestly, you can just use ChatGPT directly to write prompts. Simply describe the scenes you want. For example, if you want a cinematic prison shot or a jungle scene, just explain it in detail. Tip: ask for 8 to 10 prompts at once. Not all of them will be perfect, so pick the ones you like and ignore the rest. Backhand index pointing right, step 2. Generating images with Gemini Nano Banana. Now head over to Gemini and select the Nano Banana image generator. Paste your favorite prompts from ChatGPT into it. Within seconds, you'll get detailed cinematic quality images. The better your prompt, the better your image will turn out. Download the images you like. Backhand index pointing right, step 3. Turning images into videos with Grok AI. Next, open Grok AI and go to its Imagine feature. Upload the image you just downloaded. And in a few seconds, Grok will generate a short video clip based on that image. Each video is about 6 seconds long. If you want longer videos, just repeat the process with the same or different images. Pro tip: once you got a good scene from ChatGPT, you can ask Nano Banana to generate more angles of the same scene. This gives you a proper cinematic look, like different camera shots in a movie. And the best part? This entire method is 100% free. No worrying about tokens, no hidden charges. Just keep experimenting, regenerating, and creating until you get the perfect shots. So that's how you can make unlimited AI videos, fast, free, and fun.